Some finance news now. It may have taken some time, but it looks like the February interest rate cut may be finally flowing through to businesses. SBS Finance editor Ricardo Goncalves joins us now with the details.
Anton, it may be coming off a small base, but today's data does suggest Australian businesses are becoming a little happier. NAB's March business survey reveals an increase in confidence to a reading of 3 points, recovering from its lowest level in 18 months in February, but the results are patchy.
There are parts of the economy that are okay, but if you've got some discretion, consumers are still conservative. And so what's happening is, yes, business is doing a bit better in terms of their sales, they're doing a little bit better in terms of their profits, but they're not convinced enough to go out and employ very many people.
And we'll know for sure if businesses are hiring when the official jobs numbers are released on Thursday. To the Australian share market now, which moved further away from the 6,000 point level as ratings agency Standard & Poor's flagged potential credit downgrades for our major miners. BHP and Rio were hit as a result. That's despite an improvement in the iron ore price overnight. ANZ was the worst of the big banks. Insurance giant Suncorp added 2% after it appointed a new CEO. Telstra closed lower. In Japan, the Nikkei ended relatively flat. Shares on Wall Street declined ahead of corporate reporting season and ahead of key retail sales figures due out later tonight. The Australian dollar is stronger against all the major currencies, with the exception of the New Zealand dollar, which continues to edge toward parity. And on the commodity markets, gold is down, oil is up. And if you missed it earlier in the bulletin, here is my favourite part of the business day. Joe Hockey ringing the closing bell at the New York Stock Exchange. Every business journo's dream. Anton and Janice.
Glad we could make your day, Ricardo.